Okay, I'm going to be doing this with just a random selection of colours. I've got Jackman's Moonlight, which is a fabulous colour. I love that. It's kind of a grey, warm grey. It's lovely. I've got an SAA turquoise, also SAA lemon yellow, permanent rose and non-granulating ultramarine. Those are all SAA colours. I like the SAA colours, it's not an advert for them, it just happens to be the ones I've just grabbed out of the box. So first thing I'm going to do is just spray my paper with water. I would normally do this more on a, not quite so vertical, but I've got a demonstration coming up. So I want to see how this works full vertical. And I'm going to use offset palette knife. So my paper is nice and wet. So I'm going to mix the turquoise and the ultramarine together. This isn't about knowing what I'm going to paint, but I do have a vague idea of what I want to paint. And I'm using a Fabriano paper, which is not the normal paper I use, but I'm just going to give it a go. Don't want that quite so blobby, so I'm just going to push that out. So I'm going to add some lemon yellow into my mix. Give me a green. I'm also going to add a tiny touch of my rose. Adding some more yellow and red. So using the reds and yellows. Going to add a little bit of a gold into this. Okay, I've just turned it over I think the sky was too dark, so I just want to spray some paint off. It feels a bit better. Good morning. I'm all loaded up and I'm off to go and do a workshop. Come and join me.